Welcome to Taishi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make HIYASHI CHUKA. HIYASHI CHUKA is something we probably only eat in summer, and it's a cold version of ramen noodle. We use the same noodle, but we'll serve it cold with different toppings. And so in Japan, where it reaches around June, July, a lot of ramen restaurants will start putting the postcard saying HIYASHI CHUKA hajimemashita, which means we start serving HIYASHI CHUKA. And then we see that, we feel, the summer has come. It's just perfect for this hot weather. Then, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for HIYASHI CHUKA. For the topping, I have ham and lettuce. So this is kind of cooked ham. I think any ham would do, but I would avoid ham that has stronger smoky flavor to it. And then I have egg, tomato, and cucumber. So I think tomato and cucumber, it's a bit too big, so I'm gonna probably use just half of them. And then for the noodle, I use Cappelini, and it'll be cooked in baking soda. For the sauce, I have a small piece of ginger. I like to add ginger. I think most people don't. I think it gives a little freshness to the flavor, so I like it, but if you don't like it, you don't have to. Then a little bit of sesame seed, soy sauce, brown sugar, vinegar. So I have here apple vinegar. You can use any other vinegar, but I would avoid balsamic vinegar because I think it's a bit too sweet for this recipe. And then sesame oil and mustard. Here I have Japanese mustard. You can just use regular Western mustard, that'll be fine. Let's cut up the ingredients. So the point of this is you just want to have strips of different ingredients. So I'm gonna cut the ham in half and just make a strip like this. And then also with lettuce. And then cucumber. I'm just gonna line them up like so and make a strip again. And then tomato. So with the tomato it's hard to make a strip, so I'm just gonna cut into this kind of pieces. And then with an egg we're gonna make what's called kinshi tamago. That means golden thread egg. So we're gonna make kind of like crepe with an egg and then cut it into thin slices like these. So I'm gonna crack it open. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, half a teaspoon, and then also half a teaspoon of soy sauce. And I'm gonna whisk this. So let's make kinshi tamago. I'm going to heat the pan to medium and then add a little bit of oil. So the pan is heated. I'm going to put the oil around the pan and I'm going to put in half of the egg. I'm just going to make like a crepe. So and then right away I want to flip this. I'm gonna try to flip it. Like so. And then that's finished. I'm gonna put it on a plate. And then the second one. And then the second. And then I'm just gonna flip. So I'm not very good at this, but it's good enough. I'm gonna turn the heat off, and then we're gonna cut these. So just like the ham, I'm going to cut them in half, fold, and I'm just gonna make like the same strip as the ham. So these are all the toppings. Then let's make the sauce. I'm going to first grate the ginger. And then to that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. And then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of, let's hope that was 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then about half a teaspoon of mustard. Good enough. And then I'm gonna add the sesame seed and the sesame oil. So if you use sugar like this, it might take a little time to dissolve, so you just want to keep mixing it. Have a little taste. Perfect. Oh, really good. So let's cook the pasta. I'm gonna turn the heat to high and wait till water comes to a boil. So I never weighed pasta before, so this is about how much I eat usually. 1 portion, and it's about 60 grams. So if you don't know how much pasta you want to eat, about 60 grams is 1 portion. So water is boiling. Here I'm gonna put in the baking soda, about a teaspoon. And then I'm gonna put in the pasta. So this has to cook for 3 minutes. I'm gonna turn the timer to 3 minutes. It's boiling, so I'm gonna turn the heat to medium. So 3 minutes has passed. I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm gonna bring this to the sink and drain the water. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to wash this with running water. So it's been washed, then it's been cooled down. So we're gonna put this on a plate. I'm gonna put the noodle in the middle, and I'm gonna put the toppings around the noodle. Don't know if it's all gonna fit. We'll see. The egg, and the ham, cucumber, the tomatoes, the lettuce, so the lettuce was a bit too much. It's okay, use it for salad. And then we're gonna put on top of that the sauce. And this is finished. Okay, let's eat. Itadakimasu! Oh, that looks delicious. So I'm gonna warn you, I'm going to slurp. So if you don't like the sound of slurping, please skip this part. That looks delicious. Okay. A little bit with the sauce. It's really the flavor of summer. With the vegetable. The sour flavor of tomatoes matches really good as well. Cucumber. With the lettuce. The sour flavor is just perfect for a hot day like today. And also kind of like with sanshoku gohan, the other recipe that I made, you can kind of have different flavor with one plate. And you can also put different ingredients like broccoli, zucchini, eggplant. I think you want to cook them. Or you can put other fish. Salmon will be probably good as well. Or chicken, meat. So you can be very creative with this. This is a really good combination. So, and this sauce just kind of rounds everything up together and make it to one piece. But still each ingredient adds its character to the flavor. Well, as you might see, I'm actually taping this in a different day because I kind of lost that data of this last bit. I hope you excuse me for that. But I hope you enjoyed the video of HIYASHI CHUKA. If you have any feedback or comments, please write that in the comments below. And if you like what you saw, please subscribe, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.